Sunmao, mortise and tenon joints, is the main building structure of ancient Chinese architecture. Sun refers to the projecting part, and Mao to the concave part. Remarkably, without nails or glue, these wooden components interlock seamlessly, each supporting the other within its confines.
接下来就我们看好水锚结构在中国四川凤林公园是怎么运用的，我们就航拍走起。
The legacy of Sun Mao allows future generations to breathe new life into Fengling Park while preserving its centuries-old original appearance. Yanhu covered bridge uses the coal joint. The firmness of the connection between the column and the beam is ensured. It is cleverly hidden. It is conducive to the design of appearance structure. Yanwei joint is mostly used in Saifeng Tower. It is one of the strongest mortise and tenon joints. It has super tensile strength, rigorous and firm at the same time. It is very decorative. Gutou joint is widely used in Wufeng Pavilion corridor. Gutou means round the capital, used for the combination of square beam and column at the end or corner. It has strong force performance, making the building more stable.
Hey 老大，你在做啥东西哦？看着看好有意思嘞。
我在做龙凤水，
龙凤水它到时候是装在什么样的一个结构上面的呢？
作为那个内外窗的衔接点。哦，这里有个半成品的，像这种的，它就是像那个冰块一样，一榔头上去炸开的那种
裂开了
那这就叫乱冰纹。我这个做的是有36根料组成的，但是每一根料啊，它是角度不一样，长度不一样，
拼接上还是非常的严丝合缝。那像这个的话，里面有没有啥子结构？像我这种新手也能够上手的呢？
你上手的话，你就做一个龙凤曲试一下呗。
哦。
There are many steps, including selecting wood, cutting wood, drawing lines, sawing wood, drilling holes, hammering, coloring, and assembling, etc. Each component is cut precisely by Zai, and all of them are spliced by hand in Sunmao structure. Jai told me that it takes about a month to make an ice crack pattern window. It contains the best wishes of reunion, happiness, and unity. Through the long history, Chinese architecture has been handed down for thousands of years, with its cultural connotations condensed in the window pattern. The secret of architecture's solidity lies in the structure, which is its most important soul. Sunmao's structure appears balanced and implicative, containing the yin-yang principle, which reaches a balance by means of mutual generation and restriction. Sunmao structure can build solid architectures without a single nail or glue, and form an ingenious and flexible frame that matches each other seamlessly. This method makes the most effective use of the characteristics of wood, perfectly combining the practical and aesthetic function, which is consistent with the Confucianism principle of unity of heaven and man.